We will do revision. First, did I remember? The narrator means that. What will be the answer? Did I remember? I am. Everyone open.
He could not forget.
Yes, he
He could not forget.
Yeah, he could not forget. Here, the writer want to say that he could not forget.
मैम लैपटॉप का स्क्रीन थोड़ा सा बोर्ड के पास ले जाइए ना.
Right now I am not doing anything. एक बार रिवीजन करा दूं, फिर जब क्लास टेस्ट स्टार्ट करूंगी ना, then I will deal with. First, let me revise a little bit. क्योंकि एक गर्ल ने बताया ना, she had some problem. Okay. So, did I remember? The narrator means that he could not forget. Every time I am supposed to see the waiting room, this creates problem. Okay. Next, the narrator is by profession.
A writer.
A writer.
The narrator is by profession a writer. He had never been. Next question. Question number 3. One girl has problem. The question is, he had never been to fairs because he had never been to fairs.
He had not heard of it. It was very expensive.
It was very expensive. Okay. Next question. He didn't order champagne for himself because
Could not afford it.
He could not afford it.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Next. He didn't give an adequate tip to the waiter because
He had no more money.
he had no more money. Okay, how much money he had himself?
80 francs.
80 francs.
What was the bill? What was the bill?
77 francs.
77 francs.
77 francs.
What was
77
the
francs.
what was the amount he gave to waiter as a tip?
3 francs.
3 francs. 3 francs.
Anyone, any doubt, or I should start class test?
एक बार आंसर डिस्कस कर दीजिए ना.
What's happening? Anyone studying? Okay. But if I will, wait a minute. Is it clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear, ma'am.
What is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my first
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Clear है.
दिख रहा है ना? My first question
Yes,
is
ma'am.
for 8D. Students of 8D, they will only answer. Someone has 8I raised hand. Why? This turn is not for 8I. This is for 8D.
मैम नहीं दिख रहा है मैम.
मैम क्वेश्चन पूछना है.
हाँ, question. I am going to ask
Ma'am, दिख
question.
रहा है, ma'am.
हाँ, I am also able to look at the board.
मैम दिख रहा है. नहीं दिख रहा.
दिख रहा है तो पता
बहुत
नहीं.
साफ दिख रहा है.
मैम दिख रहा है.
हाँ,
दिख रहा है.
मैम दिख रहा है.
First question, the narrator was still a struggling writer. You are supposed to justify 2 pieces of evidence.
मैम कौन से सेक्शन से है?
D.
Ma'am, I had a tiny apartment in Latin Quarter and I was earning barely enough money to keep my body and soul together.
Very good. What should be the mark? Kitna marks do per question? It should be 2 or 5.
Ma'am, 5 marks.
5
Five.
marks.
5 marks.
Okay, 5
marks.
marks. Someone told 5. Okay. Section D got 5. Now, next question is for section E. He promptly said yes to the woman's proposal for lunch at the fairs. Two evidences.
Ma'am, because he was too young to say no to a woman.
Ma'am, he was flattered.
He was flattered. Very good. 5 marks to group E also. Next question. Question number 3. That is for group G. The woman didn't approve of the narrator's choice of eating meat.
The lady
think
said
you
that the
are advised
author was
to eat
advised
meat.
to eat meat. She said that one cannot do any work after eating everything like meat. Mutton chop.
Yeah, good. 2 marks to 5 marks to 8G also. Next. Next question is this question is for 8H. The narrator planned ways to face a bill beyond his means. The narrator planned ways to face.
He thought that he would leave her watch and would come back and pay later. And he thought that he would put her hand in her pocket and with a dramatic cry, he said that his pocket has been picked.
Good.
मैम आंसर के दोनों पॉइंट में हिस की जगह हर यूज किया गया है.
हाँ, that I was going to tell and you pointed out. Very good. Her will be used for lady and his will be used for the narrator. So here it will be his. 5 marks to H. I have given. Okay, now the next question is for 8I. The asparagus were tempting and difficult to resist.
Really expensive.
Everybody
His
was
mouth
very
had often
appetizing,
watered
but
at the sight of them.
was as enormous, succulent, and appetizing. He said that the smell of melted butter tickled his nostrils.
Very good. 5 marks to 8I also. Next question. Next question is for 8D. One question is there, but I don't want to ask anyone because I will be asking 30 words question. The narrator was shocked to see the head waiter carrying a basket full of pitchers. Would anyone answer? But you will not be getting
Yes, ma'am.
question.
Ma'am, then a
Ma'am, a
terrible
terrible
thing
thing
happened.
had
Don't have
happened.
Apparently,
Daniel and
peaches
Jack.
were not in
They
season
were
then.
not in the
The
season
peaches
then.
were not
Lord
in the
knew
season.
what
The
they
peaches
cost.
were not in season.
Yes. Lord, it was line was something like that. Lord knew what would be the cost.
They were not in the season then. Lord knew what they cost.
Then a terrible thing happened.
Yeah, so many lines are there. Very good. So now question for 8D. How did the woman know the narrator? How did the woman?
Ma'am, the woman knew the narrator as she had read a book written by the narrator.
Very good. Why did she want to meet him?
हम डी सही है.
हाँ, डी सही है. एक एक क्वेश्चन ही मैं पूछूंगी. Anyone from section D?
When she was passing from Paris, she want to
You are right. Nearest to the answer. She was passing through Paris.
she wanted to take
Meet him.
ma'am.
She wanted to meet the narrator
Ma'am, she
while
wanted
she
to
was
meet
passing
him
through
and
the Paris.
take some chat.
Yeah. She was passing through Paris, and she had free time on Thursday, and she wanted to spend the time by meeting the narrator. Okay?
Ma'am, she wanted to have a chat with the narrator.
Yeah. Next. Next question for 8E. What impression did the narrator gather of the woman when he met her?
She was
The
not so
woman
young
was
as
not so
narrator
young
expected. She was a woman of 40 and
woman
very
of 40
talkative. In
and
appearance, she
very
was imposing
talkative.
rather than attractive.
Nice. Next was this 5 marks to 8E. And next is there. Why was the narrator panic stricken while they were waiting for the asparagus to be cooked?
The
Ma'am,
narrator was
किसके लिए?
panic stricken
The narrator was panic stricken while they were waiting
asparagus.
for the asparagus to be cooked, as it was not a question how much money he should left for the rest of the month, but the question was whether he had enough money to pay the bill. It would be very humiliating for the narrator to borrow money from his guest.
5 marks to 8G. Next question. Next question is for 8H. Why did the narrator order for coffee for himself? Why did the narrator order coffee for himself?
The narrator ordered coffee for himself and an ice cream and coffee for the woman because he was past caring or unwilling to involve in the luncheon.
The narrator ordered the coffee for himself because he was now not thinking about the bill.
Nice. Why did the narrator order coffee for himself also? The narrator ordered coffee for himself also because he had stopped thinking about the bill. He had made up his mind how to pay the bill. 5 marks to 8H. Next. A question for 8I. What is the waiter's contribution in allowing the woman to have a gorgeous meal?
The waiter contributed a lot in allowing the woman to have a gorgeous meal. The woman asked for uncommon, unseasonal, and very expensive dishes, and the waiter provided her all the dishes. And at last, the waiter also gave her a basket full of peaches, which were not in the season.
Very good. 8 to 8I also. Now, next question is for 8D. The question is of horse. The narrator's meeting with the woman begins with his being flattered and hospitable and ends with being mortified and disgusted. Discuss his different states of mind. Eight D. Earlier he was flattered.
हम रुकिए बोल रहे हैं.
I am waiting.
At the beginning, he decided to cut off some money from his daily routine, but as the woman started ordering the dishes, he decided he started bothering about the bill, and at last he stopped worrying about the bill and satisfied that he was able to pay the bill.
Very nice. So, question was, my question was, the narrator's meeting with the woman begins with his being flattered and hospitable and ends with being mortified and disgusted. Discuss his different states of mind. So what was his state when he decided to meet the woman at first? He was
He thought
flattered.
that the woman would be young, but
He
but
was
when he
flattered.
that he was not.
But when he
This meeting with
when
the
he
woman
met the
begins
woman,
with being.
when he met the woman, he understood that the lady was very much self-centered. Earlier, he had decided that he would be able to pay the bill by spending 15 francs, and he decided to cut his coffee for the 15 days. But when he reached there, it was not the matter. The bill was, the dishes were very costly, and the lady was also very self-centered. She was very
And the
demanding.
woman got hurt.
She ordered so many things, and the narrator had to lose all the money. He had to spend all the money. So it was very difficult for him. Just a minute. So it was very difficult for him to manage the whole month. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
5 marks has been given. Now, my next question is for 8E. The woman calls the narrator a humorist. Who do you think actually contributes to the humor in the story? How?
The woman. Actually,
And
the
the woman
woman
calls the narrator
has
a
to
humorist.
contribute to
The woman
actual humor
actually
in the
contributes
story
to the humor in the
because
story as
as
she had used
she
her mind to get a
as she
very
didn't
gorgeous
think
meal.
the
She knew how
financial
to talk to
condition
a
of the poet
person. She
and
used
ordered
her
so
words and
many
humors to
expensive
trap the
dishes
narrator in her
which
words.
may not be possible for the poet to afford, and even she didn't pay any penny.
So 5 marks to 8E. My next question is for 8G. If you come across such a guest at home, how will you behave?
I would try to realize him or her that my financial condition doesn't allow me to spend so much money for lunch here. And also, if he or she doesn't understand my condition, in indirect talks, I would tell him her directly.
Yeah, very nice. Because we should not put ourselves in such a condition, such a situation as the narrator had. We should be very frank. We should not hesitate. There is not a matter of any prestige that I don't have much money. Okay, my financial condition doesn't allow me to do so and so, so I won't be able to do. If someone is your real friend, if someone is your real family member, he or she would understand your feeling. He or she would not think that how much money you have spent on him or her. Isn't it? So 5 marks I have given. 8G. This question was for 8G, na? Ha.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, 8H. Was the woman considerate? So here one question is there. I will be asking writing. This question will not carry any marks for anyone. I am going to ask 2 questions of values, but this will not carry any marks for anyone. My questions are: observe the following remarks made by the woman during the luncheon. I never eat anything for luncheon. I never drink anything for luncheon. I never eat more than one thing for luncheon. Discuss these statements in the light of her behavior during the luncheon.
And these remarks made by the woman were opposite of her behavior. In luncheon, she ate and drank a lot, but in her words, she always tried to show that she doesn't eat anything. At beginning, the narrator was so worried because of these, not so worried because of these remarks, but at the time passes, his state of mind also changed.
Yeah. She told she never eat anything for luncheon, but ordered something. She told I never drink anything for luncheon, but ordered. She never eat more than one thing for luncheon, but ordered many things.
So many dishes. Yes.
Isn't it? She ordered so many
Yes,
dishes,
ma'am.
all were very
More
expensive.
than
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is: was the woman considerate or self-centered?
The woman was self-centered because she ordered so many expensive dishes, but she didn't pay even a single penny.
Yeah, she didn't offer to pay.
Spoke rudely about the author's choice to eat mutton chop. This proves that the woman was self-centered and
and even
selfish.
not paid a single money
Yeah.
for the bill.
She had taken the narrator to task because he had ordered mutton chop for himself. She didn't think that he might have some problem. Why he was not ordering anything for himself, and one thing he ordered, and that was the cheapest dish in the menu. If she would have been considerate, she would have understood. Isn't it? Next. This question is for 8H. Write a diary entry expressing your plans on how you hope to manage the budget of the entire month. So, format of diary is known to everyone. Date, time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just you are
Namaskar,
supposed
dear
to
diary.
speak. You are supposed to speak the body. Day, date, time. It is for everyone. Everyone knows it. You people might have started writing diary from standard 4 or 5. डायरी एंट्री तो 4th 5th से ही शुरू हो गई थी ना?
Yes, ma'am.
5th से. Okay. The question is for 8H. You are supposed to.
8H के लिए.
8H के लिए.
Ma'am, we have to speak only content or
Content.
for lady for luncheon. I have asked her what she wants to eat in the luncheon. She ordered many things like caviar and carried and lot of and white wine for herself, but she had told me that she will eat only one thing for lunch here. And and that dishes are very costly, which and
Wait,
that
wait.
dishes are very
You are supposed to speak. What is the question? Understand first. Write a diary entry expressing your plans and how you hope to manage the budget of the entire month. You have spent all the money at fairs. Now you don't have any money. But you are supposed to meet all the requirements that you will need for the rest of the month. So how will you manage that? Understood? This is the question. Can 8H answer? Anyone from 8H? You are supposed to manage it for the rest of the month. Suppose आज तुम्हारे पास एक भी पैसे नहीं है and पूरे month की खर्च चलानी है. How would you manage? You are supposed to write that. Not possible for 8H?
ma'am, I can speak.
Okay, speak.
I can manage my budget by following ways, ma'am. I will told my guests to eat something luncheon in my home, not to eat in the restaurant or other.
Wait. You are confused. My question is, you have spent all the money at luncheon, at fairs. Now you are supposed to meet your requirements. आज तुम्हारे पास जितने भी पैसे थे वो तुमने लंचन पे फेयर्स में खर्च कर दिए. अब तुम्हें पूरे मंथ की खर्च चलानी है तो कैसे चलाओगे? Okay, if 8H is not able to answer, can anyone answer from other section?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who said yes, ma'am? Answer. You will be getting marks.
Ma'am, 8G. Ma'am, I'm from 8G.
Okay, answer.
I am in trouble now. After providing the luncheon to the lady, I don't have even a single penny with me. I'm planning to buy, and I have decided to cut my coffee and milk this month. I will also walk on feet to nearby places. I may have to take up a part-time job. I pray God to give me strength so that I could manage everything.
Very nice, very nice. So, suppose your extra requirement needed to be cut off. What may be extra requirement? As you said that you will be cutting your coffee for rest of the month. You will not spend any money on transportation. You will walk on food if it is very required to nearby places. And still you need some money because you need to fulfill basic requirements.
I will borrow from my friend.
Now I will also.
That she has told, na? I will do some part-time job. So you have options. If you don't want to take any money, you don't want to borrow any money from your friend, it's better for you to do part-time job. अगर पार्ट टाइम जॉब कर लेते हो तो इस मंथ की हार्डशिप इसी मंथ में खत्म हो जाती है. It will not carry for other month, but if you borrow some money from your friend, you will have to return it. So, but this you can write. वो भी तुम लिख सकते हो. I will borrow some money from my friend. Okay. Also, extra marks, 2 bonus marks to 8G. And now 8H got 0. No, I am giving 0. It is 0.
Time over हो रहा है मैम. Ma'am,
Now the
time
question.
10:30.
Oh, time is about to over. Okay, last
One
question.
minute is left.
Last question for 8I. Write a diary entry expressing your satisfaction on observing the woman put on a lot of weight in the second meeting. You are very happy to see the woman very fat. So you are supposed to write your satisfaction as if your revenge is over. 8I, be fast. Eight I. If anyone is there in 8I.
Ma'am, today I am feeling happy and satisfied on observing the woman. On observing the woman who had caused me a lot of trouble very much years back. She has become extremely fat and weighs 21 stones. In those days when